What's up everybody, shout out to you guys for tuning into another video. So today it's gonna be something special. We got invited to a Street Vaders meet. It's at an underground parking garage, so it should be cool. It should give like Tokyo Drift kind of vibe, so we're gonna see. Gonna rinse this down real quick because if you guys seen last video, took this road trip to LA and it is dirty, so let's give it a quick rinse. Look at her, she looks abandoned. She hasn't been started up in a while, so let's hope she starts. GTR, man, they're reliable. All right, first things first, you know what we gotta do. Fill up on that good E85. Here we go. All right, we are about 20 minutes out from this Tokyo Drift meet right by the water. Just made it. We got cars lined up, cars in the back. We're causing a traffic jam, but this town's gonna be crazy. R34s lined up. This is some real Tokyo Drift stuff right here.
So you really are sectioned off.
Okay, we're parked up now. And check out this fucking lineup. This is crazy. It's like a straight movie. Mark IV Supra. Now this is crazy. We got 34s, yeah, S14s. Yo, this is crazy right here. We still got more cars rolling in. DTR right here, wide body. This one's so clean, seen this a couple times. Look how they're lined up. M4, G80 right here, M3. On the TEs, Big Wing. Check this Evo out, Meisters. Everything is crazy here. We seen this one at Blackfest too, this RX-7 right here, clean. Got Evos. Oh, we got Josh's STI right here. I didn't know he was here. We got another R34 down there. A bag Tesla. Lowen, where you at? All over you. R34, we all know everybody's dream car right here. It just keeps going down over there. STI, shout out that, my roots. Ooh, Mercedes on the Emmets, big baller right there. Oh, IS300, this one is clean. Eliminate boys, Hoagie boat, I see you boy, fitted. We got the classic Porsche over here. This Tokyo Drift vibes right here. You gotta have the lights with the underglow. And right here, R34 with the R32. The dynamic duo. Gotta get this. Oh my god, purple cam covers. Oh my god, this is sick. Meisters, NSX. We see this one too, Iconic Club's R34. This is like real Tokyo Drift right here. Look at that, R34 on the Blitz. That's sick. Check this GTR out, man. So clean. Advent GT's bag. I'm trying to get like him. Let me know, bro. I'm trying to get like you. This guy knows the idea, man. No go. No hood. Wow. This one looks mint condition. Look how good the paint is. I gotta talk loud over this audio so I don't get copyrighted. we got the heavy hitters coming in. Huracan, GTR, RWB. This is crazy right here. You guys see this one everywhere. Now it's really like Tokyo Drift. We got a nice 300ZX right here. We got my boy James and Teco right there. Nice bag boys. Oh, my homies are right here too. 2 STI boys. We got the FL5. And we want one of these. We want to make a project car out of this. We want a Miata so bad. This is next on the agenda.
I could try this.
You really could. Look how small this is. It's like a little go-kart. Damn, big Wayne gang. Got a Supra, another Miata. This is clean though. Look at Mustard and Mayo over there in the corner. Little twinsies. BRZ, FL5. My sister over here drooling over the Miata. What happened? Look at this thing. This thing is sick. Clear tails. There's a big V8, ZL1. Clean. We got the 2 Miatas right here. Just kidding, this is imposter right here. But look at this, I want a white one. Somebody, please, donate. So sick. This license plate is so fire, man. Sip Soju. Got a sick S2K. My homie Cole's car right here. Camber boys. Gotta show love to this Porsche right here. Imagine this top down, sunny day to the beach. That's vibes. Got an NSX over here. Corolla, another Supra. Angry Miata. Got another Huracan right here. The other GTR. This thing is packing up real quick. Color on the S2K is sick. Look at the carbon fenders right there. Oh, mismatched wheels. He got money. That's the Tessie with the BBSs. I need these for the GTR. These look like GTR wheels or GTR specs right here. I need these after he's done. Look like 20s. BRZ on the Meisters. Clean. Look at this, man. The vibes are crazy in here. It's really like real life Tokyo Drift. I'm living my childhood. Why by the Evo boys just got here. This one is crazy. I want canards like this for the GTR. Makes it look more race car. It's the best in the show. Look at it. I can record these all day. I love my Miatas. Alright, we took a break, went to go get some food. We're gonna get energized. Inside, all the fumes is kicking up. We're getting dizzy, so we're taking a break outside. We're hungry. We just got burgers at Five Guys. Big body Urus at the top 4. Ooh, 240 boys. I see you. Look at this, straight downstairs. All the good stuff. Beamer boys took over the front row right here. I love it. I want this color on the GTR. That'll be so sick. Gotta show love to this car right here. Little toaster, fire, Evos. Nice Supra over there in the corner. And the R34 is clean. Put the clip on the center console. It's a nice placement up here. Clean. People are starting to roll out. 11:30 is when the night run starts, so that's why everyone's waiting for over here. That's when the real fun begins. Holy shit! Alright, everybody's starting to roll out. waiting for the GTR to spit some flames. Gotta let it warm up a little bit. Yeah. Thank you.
Do it to him, Marvin. Do it to him.
Homie's pulling up. We're waiting for the night run to start. Got another 30 minutes left, so me and some homies chilled over here. Got S2Ks, RSX, and GTR here. Just waiting on a bunch of people. All right, everyone's exiting. We got the night run commencing right now. Got the homie back there. Let's get this started. All right, we're right here waiting. A bunch of cars lined up, getting ready for the run all the way back there. We don't know the word, but just waiting. We got separated from everybody, so there's only like 6 cars over here, so we're just gonna meet them over there. Kind of a disappointment. Bummer. But look, we got 240, C6 Corvette, and the STI right here, pretty sick.
And a GTR.
And a GTR. We're riding. We got a group right here. We're trying to slow down. We're going as slow as we possibly can so other people can catch up right now. But we'll see. We're waiting for a bunch of people. Everybody's here already, but I'm gonna park in the front so I don't get stuck over here.
You can see me in that. Don't use that tape.
Everybody's lined up like some straight Fast and the Furious. Cars all the way down there, all lined up, man. There's security right here. It might kick us out, so clear your park and chill. But we're gonna see what happens next. That's the boys. Sip Soju. Soju, sponsor that man. Damn. Stay outside. Holy shit. I don't know if y'all seen that, but he almost lost it. I think I caught it last second. That is crazy. Ooh, air out on him. Alright, bro, I'll catch you. Look, I still want one of these, man. Fuck. Koki on the Meister, so clean. Love this. Run all these cars right here. Supra. Got a bunch of cars down here. Miatas. Everything. 34. A bunch of heads. It's crazy. Alright. I'm gonna head out before everything starts to get shut down. Alright, I might end it off the video here. It's getting hot right now. I don't want to get caught up in this crowd, so look at everybody. Y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video. Catch you on the next one.